Good afternoon. Welcome to Champaign Ford City. This is Todd. Got another 2025 F150 ready to go. This is a four-wheel drive, carbonized gray, color matched bumpers. The grille has been painted gloss black. We've got the Ford accessory chin spoiler down low there. Suspension wise, we've got an IHC ride quality kit. Utilizes the factory strut up front and an axle flip kit in the rear. And we've also got the IHC airbag kit in the rear as well. It's riding on a set of Ford Star 22 by 10 inch wheels wrapped in Nitto 420V tires. The truck is lowered 3 inches in the front, 5 in the rear. Got the dual black tip MBRP catback exhaust. Ford accessory tailgate spoiler. Again, color matched bumpers. Got the valve for the airbags right there in the back bumper. And this one actually has the Ford accessory fender flares, kind of a low profile fender flare. We have those painted to match. And it allows you to run a little more aggressive wheel and tire combo. Got the rear wheel well liners in there as well, cleans up the rear fender area. And we've gotten rid of the flap that normally hangs down by the exhaust. Painted door handles. Got our painted fender vents with our FCP edition badges. Short antenna. Tinted windows. Got the Ford Performance door sill plates added to this as well. Otherwise, the interior's stock. Again, four-wheel drive. Got electronic locking differential, several different drive modes. This truck is naturally aspirated. We do offer installation of superchargers. We are sold out right now. We've done a lot of Whipples this year, but we are sold out. We're waiting on more to come in. It's about 13 grand to have one added to the purchase of a truck. The beauty of doing it when you buy the truck is you only pay sales tax on the truck. With the blower would be included in the purchase of the truck, I guess is how you'd want to word that. If you bought a truck and then just brought it here for a supercharger, you'd end up paying a higher sales tax. Vehicle sales tax in Illinois is much cheaper than it is on parts. I think it's over 9% on parts. And it's 6 1/4 on vehicles. Sales tax on the vehicle does vary by state you're registering it in. Right now, Ford has employee pricing going on, so these are discounted. I think they're discounted about 4 grand, which is awesome. So yeah, carbonized gray, gloss black accents on it. Turned out really nice. Ford Star wheels are a good quality wheel. Used those in the past. I think they look great on these. The black grille with the black wheels ties in nicely. So that's a wrap on this one. As usual, we'll get a link in the description, and just inquire through our website for pricing in your area. It does vary by location. Sometimes there's rebates or special financing in certain parts of the country, but we'd be happy to work up a quote for you. Just reach out through the link on our website there, and it'll come right to me, and I'll be the one helping you out. So appreciate everybody watching. Hope everyone has a great day.